All right, this is pages 24 and 25 in your Technique and Artistry book, Level 1. So this is one of those artistry pieces. It's called Kaleidoscope of Colors. So when you think of a kaleidoscope, think about turning the kaleidoscope and seeing all the different beautiful colors. So we're going to create musical colors in this piece. And the way we're going to do that is if you look at the bottom of page 25, we're going to put a color for each of the dynamics. The piano, soft, quiet, mezzo piano, medium quiet, mezzo forte, medium loud, and then forte loud. So what we did was we filled in a color for each one, and then we highlighted those in the pieces also. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. This is looking at intervals. So we filled in the intervals. So that G to the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, interval, fifth interval. And then F to C, 4. So we filled in all the intervals. You'll notice that the grand staff is both treble clef. So what's letting you know is that you're going to take your left hand and play the treble clef notes. So if you take a look at the bottom row, if you just look at it as treble clef, that's a G, and that's this key right here. So this is middle C. And our right hand is just going to move up to that treble clef C, and then our pinky's on that G. So we're just shifting our hand up. They could have done it bass clef, treble clef with an 8 VA, meaning bring your hands an octave higher. In this piece, I really want you to get to recognizing those treble clef notes no matter what hand you use, okay? So the left hand for measures 1 through 8, we're just playing thumb on G, okay? Right hand, we're doing those intervals, so G, C, G, F, C, G, E, C, G, D. So you'll notice that the bottom note for your right hand, it's all C's. We're just changing the G, F, E, and then D. That's how you can remember. So it's the G, C, F, C, E, C. So the top notes, you'll notice the first notes are just going to be a scale going down to that D. The next row is piano. It's the same notes. We're just going to play it super quiet. And ending on that D. Okay? So definitely learn measures 1 through 8 first so you get used to the pattern of the song. Okay? When you're ready, go ahead and move on to measure 9. This time we're going to play treble C. And then in measure 12, we're going to play that C. So we're going to switch gears and we're going to have our left hand playing that harmonic intervals. That G, C, G, D, G, E. So measures 9 to 12, your right hand's playing that treble C, and then your left hand, the consistent note is G. We're just changing this G, C, G, D, G, E. Okay, so I'll go ahead and play that. Start at measure 9. Treble C. Then ending on right hand C and E. Okay, I'd work on this piece one line by one line. It's going to repeat exactly what measures 9 through 12, just now super quiet. So starting on that treble C in measure 13. G, D, C, G, E, and then C and E together. Okay, so measures 1 and 2 are exactly the same, just changing the dynamics. Lines 3 and 4 are exactly the same. We're just changing the loud and softness. Okay. We're going to go back to that same pattern as the first line, Measure 17 is going to start on that G, and the left hand's only playing that treble G. So G, C, F, C, G, E, C, G, ending on D. So line 1, line 2, and line 5 are exactly the same. We're going to end with playing some harmonics. You'll notice that the middle C note in the left hand is a tie. So you're just going to play the C and hold it as you play the harmonic intervals, okay? It's going from mezzo forte, mezzo piano to piano. So playing together, C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just getting used to playing that left hand in the treble staff line. Just remember that whatever it shows here, your left hand is going to play that. Okay. I'm going to stop this and I'll do the counting beats next.